Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will learn how to install Docker on a Rocky Linux virtual machines and set up a simple Docker container. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. So let's get started. I will power on the machine. Log into the server. I have already configured remote access. So what I will do, I will take access of this virtual machine, Rocky Linux virtual machine, on my mobile external VM. Check the IP address 56105. I'm able to take the access. Here you can cross verify the IP address. 192.168.56.105. 192.168.56.105. I will close this. So first, let's ensure our system is up to date. Run the command dnf update -y. Once the system is up to date, we need to install required dependencies. This will take some time. I will pause the video. Once system is up to date, we'll resume it. Now the next step is to install required dependencies. Dependencies is installed. Now we will add Docker official repository. This repository contains Docker packages which we needed. Let's install Docker. This will install Docker engine and its dependencies. I will pause the video. Once installation is completed, I will resume back. Now let's start and enable Docker service. Docker service started. Also enable we have enabled the Docker service so that it will start automatically at boot. So we will verify Docker installation by checking the version, Docker version. Installation is successful. Check the status. Service is active and enabled. If you get any error, you need to add a user to a Docker group. So for that, the command is use user mode command -ag Docker and your user, or else you can run this command as it is. It will add your existing user to the Docker group. Now let's run a simple Docker container using Nginx. We'll mention port as well. This command will download the Nginx image and run it on a port 8080. So what we will do, we will access to check if Nginx is running. We need to access using a private IP address of the VM. So we should see Nginx default page :8080. So we are able to access Nginx. There are the other command to check Nginx image is downloaded on the server. So now we are successfully accessible Nginx container. Then if you want to stop the container, use the docker ps command to list the running containers and stop it using the container ID. So the command is docker stop and give the container ID. When you stop the container, try to access, you'll not able to access the Nginx page. So let's keep on loading. Let me access. As a container we have stopped, you will not get access of the Nginx. And that's it for this video. You have successfully installed Docker on a Rocky Linux and set up a simple Docker container. Happy learning and keep exploring. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.